Alright. Hey guys, welcome to today's video over here at the Internet Marketing YouTube channel. I wanted to go ahead and create this short segment on crowdsourcing for you guys because I was taking a look at YouTube and I really couldn't find too much truly understandable content that was actually informative regarding the term. So in this video, I'm going to be doing my best to introduce you to this concept known as crowdsourcing. Let's get it. Crowdsourcing is a business model and function that includes the help of a group of people to complete tasks and activities as a service. Communication and coordination are getting more and more economical as the internet becomes more widely used. So because of this, tasks that were previously impossible to communicate and coordinate amongst freelancers and outsourcers have become incredibly simple to set up and coordinate. Crowdsourcing is the practice of paying a crowd or a group of people to help you achieve a common goal. Effective crowdsourcing campaigns demand a collection of people to be successful and grounded in areas such as innovation, problem solving, and efficiency. Crowdsourcing may dramatically boost a product or service's value while also building a viable business model and forging valuable connections between the users and the company. So crowdsourcing can occur on a variety of levels and in a variety of different industries and businesses. Individuals can collectively contribute, whether with ideas, time, experience, or monetary value. Crowdsourcing has made projects easier and more efficient than ever before, guys. Crowdsourcing is a term for this type of collaborative mobilization. The dynamic of crowdsourcing can be really helpful for enterprises, local businesses, entrepreneurs. It can allow for deeper consumer connection, co-creation opportunities, work optimization, and cost savings. So there's a lot of great things coming out of crowdsourcing and the jobs that are being put on the internet for others to fulfill for the outsourcers themselves. The internet and social media have brought organizations closer to their stakeholders, laying the groundwork for unprecedented collaboration and value creation. Crowdsourcing affects all aspects of social and business interactions, and it truly is transforming the way we work, hire, research, manufacture, and market, guys. Sorry. Now, governments are turning to crowdsourcing to empower citizens and offer them a stronger voice. Crowdsourcing can promote problem solving and expedite innovation and research in healthcare, and it has the potential to revolutionize this system through education in the same manner as crowdfunding is challenging traditional banking and investing methods right this second, guys. So the topics do kind of go hand in hand in that manner. They are obviously different, but I may make a video in the future for you guys if you want to understand that a bit as well. I just put this out spur of the moment because I couldn't, I was looking at the topic because I wanted a little bit more of an understanding as well from other creators on the subject, and I couldn't really find much, so I took a really deep dive and I went ahead and looked into it pretty heavily, so I figured you guys might want to see for yourself as well. So that's going to be it for the video today. I figured it would be best for you guys to see this because I was putting it out there for myself anyways for later, for any of my clients or anyone who wants to collaborate in the future on big projects, because that is a form of crowdsourcing as well. So hopefully this video was good for all you guys and you found it useful if you're thinking about participating in any crowdsourcing opportunities or jobs online that you could make some decent cash on the side with. If you could please subscribe and hit the bell notification if you guys want to learn more about concepts like this. I do plan on creating another video on crowdsourcing and online jobs here in a few days, so be sure to click on that video if the YouTube algorithm ends up spitting it out in front of you on YouTube or your recommended page. So that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.